And it took me hours to get the courage just to ask if you felt this or you're still searching. Just need you to tell me how to act or how to love, just so you don't go away. 'Cause I follow you far from here, even if you disappear. But I won't just ask you to stay. All for the love, all for the love. Yeah, I do it all for the love. It's all for the love, all for the love. Yeah, I do it all for the love. It's all for the love.
Hello everyone, the owner here of Hamster's Pizza Repair, here to tell you a quick 5-minute or less video on my computer business. It is a computer business, but it's much more than that. I offer teaching and various other things at a cheap, low price. That's right, low. And for a limited time only. It's free. What more can you ask for? Free. I am the little guy with no job and no life. So I have a degree, associate's degree in computer maintenance and repair that is going to waste. So I'm creating a computer business for the little guy. My prices are cheap and, low. And I am offering a free service for a limited time. Free, I tell you. Free services on anything on my website that you could possibly need. That website, I was originally not going to release this until the official launch after all the paperwork and licensing is done. But right now, that is the web link. At the time of this video, this web link will not only be available in the main link on my Facebook page and will not only be here, but everywhere I have my original website link will officially be 100% changed to this up here. It is what it is, and I'm going to tell you a quick little thing about this. I got hit with 2 people trying to intimidate me, pretending to be Facebook staff. Facebook does not send people to your messenger box to tell you you've done something wrong. No, they will send you a notification and they will direct you to their help center. They don't message you directly in your messenger. They will direct you to their help center, their own support system. Don't believe anybody that says they are Facebook and they are messaging you in your box telling you that you have done something wrong or your page violates something. I got hit with the one that said I was violating my computer business page, violated terms of service. Another one said I had copyrighted material and it was going to be taken down. Both of which were false because both of those weren't true. And Facebook just doesn't message people in Facebook Messenger. It's just not who they are. But the fact that I got hit twice recently because of this, I am now releasing this web link, updating it here, updating it on my Facebook page. So come enjoy this limited time free offer. The only payment I ask for return is a review whenever the actual computer business gets launched. That's all I ask in return. Take advantage of this limited time offer. Go here to find my business link as well as a bunch of other stuff that I do, as you saw on my starting stream soon page. So there's a lot of information here about what I do, but this is the main link to the computer business. Utilize it. Utilize this limited time offer. But the best part is, I'm a gamer, and if you're a gamer, I provide a gaming guarantee because I know what it feels like to not have an actual computer that doesn't play games properly. So let me be your fix. Ciao. So come on by to Hamster's PC Repair, or just give us a call, or give me a call, and I will try to see what I can do to help you with a gaming guarantee. Come join Hamster's PC Repair, where gaming matters, but also everything else.
not responsible for the many hamsters that come out of this ad.